Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you need to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we'll be looking out to countries that Kalodata supports and the pricing for each country. So you don't know, you should know how much you're going to be paying. And if you use the link in the description of this video, you're going to be getting 20% of your purchase on a monthly basis. And if you go for the yearly plan as well, you'll definitely be able to get 20% on your purchase. So let's get started from which country is actually topping on the platform, and also how much you'll be paying for each package you actually want to go for. So I'm currently on Kalodata United States, so I'm gonna be clicking on the pricing page. So on the pricing section, you're gonna be seeing the price. Okay, sorry, I think I navigated to Singapore back then, so let me go back to United States. All right, so this is United States, and for the starter plan, you're gonna be paying $38.03 for the starter plan, and for the professional, you're gonna be paying $83.20, and that is for the yearly plan. If you go for the monthly, so you'll be paying almost $46 and almost $100 for the professional. So that is the cost for if you are in United States, for you to get all the data in the United States. And if you are going or you are from Indonesia, because we're gonna be following it based on how Kalodata listed the countries. So for Indonesia, let's check it out. So for Indonesia, the starter plan is $13, and for professional is $40 approximately, right? So everything is still the same features you're going to be getting, but then if you subscribe to the country, that's the data that you'll be able to pull up for your own Kalodata account. So for Malaysia, you're going to be paying $18 for the starter plan, and then $40 for the professional plan. So that's like X2 of the starter plan. Then for the enterprise, you're going to be contacting the support. Then for Thailand, and you know they just added some countries, so which is quite amazing. So for Thailand, $16, and professional $67, same features. So then Vietnam, for starter $22, and for professional $44. Then for Philippines, $17 for starter plan and $40 for professional plan. For United Kingdom, for starter plan $46, and for professional $90 approximately $90. Then for Singapore, $23, and for professional $50. Then for Mexico, $23, and for professional $50. So I think this plan is not available currently, so you cannot buy it. So yeah, only professional is available, so you can buy the professional if you're from Mexico. Then the last but not the least is Germany. So, and you know they just add some countries to their platform, so Germany is also available. So for the starter, you're gonna be paying $46, and for the professional you're gonna be paying $90. So overall, United States is the highest that costs more. United States. Then the lowest, I think it's Indonesia, I guess, which is $13, right? Indonesia is $13. So I think that's the one that actually more cheaper. It's one that's more cheaper. I think it's based on the country wealthiness, maybe, I think so, how rich people and the buying power in the country. I think that's the thing. The buying power in the United States is actually high, so people are gonna subscribe to it. Yeah. So Indonesia, I think $13. I think this is the cheapest one. Yeah, it's the cheapest one. So this is all the countries that these are all the countries that Kalodata is available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 countries, and these are all the pricing for each package you are trying to go for. And like I said, if you want to subscribe, use the link in the description to subscribe to Kalodata and enjoy 20% of your purchase. And if you have any question about Kalodata, I've also recorded a full video about Kalodata tutorial and how it works, and also using it to do keyword research for your TikTok shop. And if you have another question entirely related to Kalodata, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.